question, JB Jan Dumalos Binuya. Do you take this woman, Michelle Ann Flores Felix, to be your lawful wife, and do you solemnly promise before God that you will love, honor, and keep her in sickness or in health, and to be true and faithful husband as long as you both live?
Yes po.
Okay. Michelle Ann Flores Felix, do you take this man, JB Jan Dumalos Binoya, to be your lawful husband, and do you solemnly promise before God that you will love, honor, and keep him in sickness or in health, and to be true and faithful wife as long as you both live?
Yes.
Okay. So now I would like to request to face each other. Magharap po kayong dalawa. Okay, JB, pakitaas yung right hand and repeat after me. Say, I, your name,
JB Jan.
I accept you,
I accept you,
pangalan niya,
Michelle Ann Felix,
before the solemnizing
for the solemnizing
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
and I promise to you
and I promise to you
in front of God
in front of God
and to all witnesses
and to all witnesses
that I will become
that I will become
a lovable husband
a lovable husband
in abundance
in abundance
and in
and in
strength
strength
and sorrow
and sorrow
and sickness
and sickness
and in health
and in health
till death do us part.
that do us part.
I,
Your name,
Michelle Ann Felix,
I accept you,
I accept you,
name,
JB Jan Dumalos,
before the solemnizing
before the solemnizing
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
and I promise to you
and I promise to you
in front of God
in front of God
and to all witnesses
and to all witnesses
that I will become
that I will become
a lovable wife
a lovable wife
in abundance
in abundance
and needs,
and needs
strength
strength
and sorrow
and sorrow
and sickness
and sickness
and in health
and in health
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Thank you, Michelle Ann and JB Jan.
My love,
Commitment
commitment,
and loyalty.
and loyalty.
Yan, isuot mo ng
Accept this ring
as a sign of my love,
as a sign of my love,
commitment,
commitment,
and loyalty.
and loyalty.
Suot mo ng dahil. Not only as a witness, but siyempre makakatulong din kayo sa couple, to remind and to give advices for the couple. Kayo po yung nag-under oath that this is a till death do us part, commitment as husband and wife. As a pastor, so ito yung lagi kong pinapayo that God is always the center of your marriage. Kasi naman kayo, Christian, kayo naman ay naniniwala sa Panginoon. So ilagay lang po ninyo sa sentro lagi ang Panginoon. Napakahalaga na nagdadasal para ma-overcome lahat ito. And then of course, you respect to each other is also very important, JB and Michelle, magrespetohan bilang mag-asawa because ang iyong asawa is not a perfect human, there is also weaknesses, may mga kakulangan din siya. Kayo yung pupuno niyan because after marriage, the two person will become one, So dapat nagmamahalan kayo, nagbibigayan, at sa lahat ng bagay ay magkatuwang na po kayo. Okay? So that is marriage. And of course, we consider also that yung pagtitiwala, yung trusting to each other is very important also. Dahil pag nawawala yung pagtitiwala sa asawa, so hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng peace of mind, So dapat panatag yung inyong kalooban na kahit man kayo magkakalayo because of work, nandun yung pagtitiwala ninyo sa asawa. Okay? So that is very important. And last, of course, the most important is always love. Kaya kayo nandito because of love. Kaya mahalin ang asawa, alagaan, at syempre yung magiging pamilya nyo. At syempre provide yung pangangailangan. That is responsibility. Kasama po yun sa responsibility. So especially to JB. Okay, so hangad ko po sa inyo yung lifetime na pagsasama nyo, ha? At magkaroon kayo ng successful marriage life. So God bless and congratulations sa inyo dalawa.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Nakako ako sa'yo. Ikaw lang.
JB? So very short, Michelle, but from the heart, sinabi naman ni JB yan, ha? O Michelle, anong vow mo sa kanya ngayon?
Promise ko rin po siya lang. Ikaw lang.
JB John Domalos Binoya and Michelle Ann Flores Felix. Inasmuch as this man and this woman have in the presence of God, and these witnesses consented together to be joined in the lawful band of matrimony, that to JB and Michelle have given their pledge and vow to each other. And now, may the God of peace prosper and bless you in this new relationship. Republic of the Philippines, from the Office of the Civil Registrar General, by the authority vested upon me as a solemnizing officer, I pronounce you husband and wife. Palakpakan na natin. Ayan. Okay, JB, you may now kiss the bride at dahan-dahan mong alisin yung kanyang veil. Okay, ready? Go.